of the week.
The bird of the week this week is the ruby-crowned kinglet. This songbird is tiny. It has a small, thin bill, a thin tail, and almost no neck. They're olive green with a white eye-ring and a white wing bar. Males have this beautiful red crown that they can raise up when they're excited or agitated. These birds move around constantly and often flick their wings as they hunt for spiders and insects in the trees. They breed in northern North America and in the mountains, and migrate south or to lower elevations in winter. They make a harsh, scolding call, and males sing soft notes that accelerate and then morph into a jumbly song that's surprisingly loud. Tune in next week for another